Number 1 on list.
At Nomadic, we create the most functional bags ever. Over the past 4 years, we have launched 8 products through Kickstarter. And today, we are excited to introduce the newest member of the Nomadic family. Meet the Go Anywhere and Do Anything 30-liter travel bag. 2 years ago, we launched the 40-liter travel bag here on Kickstarter, designed for 3 to 7-day trips. Today, over 30,000 people all over the world love their travel bags. Because of this success, we set out to design the perfect travel bag for those shorter 1 to 3-day trips. We listened to your feedback, analyzed the functionality, scrutinized over every detail, and in the process we realized we didn't just create the best travel bag, we also created the perfect bag for people who live life on the move every single day. Let's take a closer look at the all-new 30-liter travel bag and see what makes it so functional. This bag is made of strong, waterproof tarpaulin material that will last forever. With our custom hardware, seamlessly switch between backpack and duffel bag and never have dangling straps again. We've updated our shoe pocket to include a ventilated door with a water-resistant flap, allowing you to choose whether you want to keep water out or allow for ventilation. This pocket has also been expanded to hold 2 pairs of US size 12 shoes. On the top of the bag, you will find a pocket for socks, underwear, or a light jacket. We designed the bag with a full perimeter zipper to give the widest opening possible for optimal packing and easy access to the interior of the bag. When the shoe and clothing compartments are full, there is still plenty of room for all your clothes and toiletries. With a laptop and tablet pocket, now you choose if you want to leave your laptop bag behind to fit everything in one bag. The right side of the bag also has a full perimeter zipper with multiple features inside. First, an RFID safe pocket designed to be durable and lined with RFID blocking material to protect your credit cards, passports, and other scannable information. Second, there is a combination of mesh and zipper pockets to keep your cords, power banks, earphones, and other miscellaneous items untangled and right where you want them. Back to the top of the bag. Our easy access pocket is lined with soft fleece to protect your everyday valuables and has a cord pass-through to the organization pocket. We've also added a water-resistant pocket for damp clothing, water bottles, or other liquids to keep your other items safe while on the move. The bottom of the bag provides a pocket perfect for a notebook or other small items you want to keep organized. While traveling, use the side handle to easily slide your bag onto your roller luggage. Each bag comes with our removable waist straps to help distribute the weight of the bag. With all these features, this is the perfect travel bag for life on the move. We have put so much time and energy into this bag and are so confident in the quality that if you are not 100% satisfied, we will give you a refund, no questions asked. If you want your reward by Christmas,
Number 2.
Hi, I'm Ian.
And we're Fred.
For the past 5 years, we've saved over 41 million plastic bottles from landfills in the ocean and turned it into recycled fabric for some of the biggest brands on the planet. Now, we've made something that you're gonna love. But first, I wanna tell you about my friend, Mark Noel.
This is Mark Noel.
I'm Mark Noel.
After the earthquake in 2010, I came to Port-au-Prince. I met Mark Noel, and he wanted a job, but there weren't any.
So my friends and I hooked up Mark Noel with a new driver's license, a fresh new tap-tap, and a new outlook on running his business. And he was off! That's when I realized that Mark Noel wasn't alone. There were lots of people in Haiti, just like you and me, who are just trying to make it through their week, but don't have any work. Seeing the incredible amount of plastic trash on the ground gave me an idea. If Haiti could turn trash into money, equals good. I came home, Googled it, and boom, Thread was born. We got to work. Almost 1,500 people got jobs, and we started helping brands get better.
But something wasn't right. While a few giant companies making a couple of products out of recycled materials is progress, my friends and I weren't seeing enough of the products that we use every day that looked awesome, were made out of stuff that didn't kill Mother Nature, and made our lives easier, especially when it came to the product we use most often, our backpacks.
So we decided to engineer one ourselves.
from the ground up. First, we asked 200 of our closest friends, family, and fellow subway riders, what's wrong with your everyday bag?
A lot. My shoulder started to hurt after 10 minutes of wearing it.
I need to carry extra totes.
I feel like a turtle.
Even when it's empty, this bag is too
The
heavy.
straps feel bulky.
I look like a 7-year-old.
I can't take it anywhere except for work.
If I show up for a date and he brings a book bag that he got in college, he is not getting laid.
Most bags that manage to fix those problems end up costing as much as your first car, and they still can't hold your lunch or gym clothes. So we spent the next 357,000 minutes eating, sleeping, and breathing backpacks. We bought, used, cut up, and tore apart hundreds of bags, made dozens of prototypes, and otherwise nerded out to get every feature and detail perfect.
Oh my gosh. And I think we stuck the landing. So here it is, a better backpack. It's the first backpack that you can wear with anything, take anywhere, all while looking like you're capably adulting. Made with 100% recycled canvas that was once plastic waste. We get it. Your day is packed. So a better backpack had to be rethought for all day, every day. Not just with a date or a workout in mind, but for the million moments in between. It fits all your stuff, no matter which size fits your style, all without ever being a pain. Why can't your backpack make you look good every day, even when you have a big meeting? Whether your commute is short or a little more adventurous, a better backpack protects your electronics, and it has the perfect place for your water bottle or a wet umbrella or a bottle of wine. Plus, it does its part for the planet. Each bag is made from about 25 plastic bottles. And we're selling it directly to you with the signature fabric we developed through our traceable and transparent supply chain. This bag would easily be $250 from any other company, but ours comes to you at about half that. There's one more thing that you should really know. In order to build our company right, we've hired a team of people right here from our own community. They're trained and ready to handcraft quality essentials you'll love using every single day. With your help, we can hire another 50 and eventually make this bag and more right here in the US.
Which we hope makes Mug Noel proud.
You are doing amazing things with your week, so whether you're working 40 hours, 80 hours, or anywhere in between, we've got your back every step of the way. We are ready to go. So hit the green button, pledge now, and let's finally get a better backpack that works as hard as you do and changes people's lives. Do it and help us challenge the status quo and finally get a better backpack that fits you. Mug Noel! Mug Noel!
Hurry up! Come on in!
My camera here.
Number 3.
We're Peak Design. We know a bit about cameras. And we know a bit about bags too. But we know even more about travel. This is the travel line. The 45-liter travel backpack. Tech pouch. Wash pouch. Packing cubes. And camera cubes. Whether your trip is short or long. Whether you carry a camera or not. Whether you travel for work or play or both. We design these products with the versatility, organization, and access you need. Because no two trips are the same. And it starts with how you pack. Sometimes you need organization. So we made a system of cubes that fit perfectly in the main volume. While a separate organization panel holds small stuff, flat stuff, or expands to carry extra loads. But sometimes, you just need space. Remove the divider and use it like a duffel. Laptop? Check. Tablet? Check. Hidden pockets. Side pockets. Interior pockets. A quick stash pocket. And a pocket for external straps, so you can always carry one more thing. But it's not just about what you carry, It's about how you access it. From the back, so you can see everything and your straps stay clean. From the side, so you never have to dig and you never miss a shot. From the front or the top. It's about how you carry it with total comfort and on-demand support. Carry it at your side or on your luggage. And when you're carrying less, we made a travel bag that can be your day bag too. It's about how you stow it instantly, cleanly, universally. And it's about how it protects your stuff inside and out.
Number 4.
Some concepts sound great on paper, like buying a dog for your kids because they promise they'll look after it. The concept of super portable lightweight backpacks also sounds great. The problem is that they're not really backpacks. They're more like shopping bags with straps. Once you wear them, you realize you can't really carry much without back and shoulder support. Meet AirPack, the first ever super portable lightweight backpack that is a real backpack. AirPack weighs only 300 grams and is the size of a can when rolled up. When it's open, AirPack holds 33 liters. That's more than a lot of the other lightweight backpacks, and unlike them, AirPack offers back and shoulder support. How? Through the magic of air. AirPack is inflatable. A single breath of air inflates its back support and shoulder straps, and a press on the valve releases the air. The air cushions can contour to the shape of your shoulders and distribute the load evenly. The air cells in the straps are interconnected, so they act like springs and can self-adjust to pressure points for a more comfortable carry that still weighs nothing, because, well, air doesn't weigh. Once you're done with it, press the air out, and the bag folds away easily. Now that's a great concept. AirPack offers everything else needed for an incredible bag. It uses extremely high-quality Cordura fabric, and its main compartment is waterproof with roll-top enclosure. Put whatever valuables you carry with you, and don't worry about water ever getting in. The side pockets are 10-inch deep. That's big enough to carry any water bottle without fear of it falling out in the middle of a climb. Meticulous attention was given to the zippers as well, because, well, you need your bag to be closed tight. The zipper is an SBS zipper, and the zipper cover serves as a reflective strip, so at night, you don't become invisible. When not on your back, AirPack lets you take a breather by easily sliding on any trolley. There's also a front pocket for easy access, an adjustable stability strap, and a removable waist strap. AirPack is made by Trexad, a company founded by experts in air mattresses. Just like their mattresses are tough enough to face any hardship nature throws at it, so are the bags. The fabric is tough, the seams are tight, and the buckles are built to last. AirPack comes with a lifetime warranty, which we're sure you won't need. We're ready for production. If you wish for a bag that is finally not just light and foldable, but also comfortable, get AirPack. That's one idea you won't regret.
Number 5.
We fill our time trying to remember everything.
our attention is split in a dozen directions. One key forgotten, one message missed, one card stolen. It all comes to a crashing halt. We lose focus on how to organize the simple things in life. But now, with Lumzag, the world's smartest and most innovative backpack, we can finally feel at ease and focus on doing what we love. Hi, I'm David, and I'm always on the hunt for innovative ways to stay organized and be on the road to success. And that's why I always choose the best. Lumzag is designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more secure. So let's take a closer look. Every day in our backpacks, we carry our most important belongings. And if you happen to leave something behind, the Lumzag app will notify you immediately. We all know how stressful it can be to misplace your backpack. Now, you will never lose it. Lumzag's real-time GPS tracker always gives you peace of mind, showing you the exact location of your backpack, regardless of how far away it is, even if you leave your backpack behind or if it's stolen. In today's urban jungle, you always need an extra pair of eyes watching your back. Lumzag's rear view camera helps you to see what's going on around you in real time. Also, your smart backpack will always keep you connected even while traveling. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot will allow you to access the internet without roaming charges in any part of the globe. The Lumzag team is convinced that being secure is one of the main components of being at ease, which is Lumzag's main mission. When Lumzag is in security mode, it will keep any potential thieves away from your stuff. Many of us are constantly worrying about losing our backpacks or getting pickpocketed. The anti-theft feature is designed to prevent stress and give you peace of mind. If your backpack is open, or the distance between you and your backpack is too far, then you are notified with a message. Never worry about the safety of your belongings, even if you're in a public place. All of these functions are supported by Lumzag's TSA-approved, lightweight, removable smart box, ensuring a full day's charge for all of your devices. Lumzag allows you to charge your smartphone, tablet, and laptop simultaneously. The wireless charging pocket allows you to charge your phone on the go without slowing you down. Lumzag is where perfection and innovation meet. Get rid of stress with the most innovative backpack. Lumzag makes your life easier, smarter, and more secure, and it solves almost all of your everyday problems. Okay, all of your problems.
Hey there, thanks for watching this video. Click here to watch more, and please subscribe to our channel. It's easy with the subscription button. It's down there somewhere. Don't wait for me to ask you again. Go ahead and subscribe. I promise you won't regret it.